Hi there, welcome to our channel. To learn the most fascinating world facts, please watch the entire video. We'll discuss the top 10 unbelievable things you have never seen before in the video of today. If you are new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, like the video, and hit bell icon as well for timely updates and instant video notifications. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. The world is a fantastic and strange place filled with amazing things. Most of the amazing things in our immediate environment go unnoticed by us. We have occasionally heard about them, but never had the opportunity to view them. Number 10. Colored Art Loaf. Each slice of this masterpiece, which was expertly created by artist Lauren Stump by stacking colors to create a loaf, cost $5,000. The delicate marine is created with over 40 years of experience by layering colorful, molten glass at the core and painstakingly elongating it until the artwork is produced. The marine is a collection of imaginative, concealed images that are formed by fusing 2D shapes with 3D objects. To make the figures, molten glass is painted in strokes that form the different parts. To make the image, the molten glass is heated and stretched even further. The procedure is repeated until the desired image is obtained for complicated images. Each piece of this incredible work of art sold for a staggering $5,000. Number 9. Black Swallower. This terrifying binge eater resides 10,000 feet or more below the surface. The fish can easily consume creatures that are 10 times its bulk and twice its length. Fish called Chiasmodon niger, sometimes known as black swallower, are found in the North Atlantic Ocean at depths ranging from 2,297 to 10,000 feet. The deep-sea fish is infamous for devouring prey that is 10 times heavier and twice as big as it. The fish chases its prey from behind and effortlessly consumes it thanks to its enlarged stomach. A dead black swallower was found drifting off the Cayman Islands coast in 2007. A 34-inch mackerel had been ingested by the fish, but before it could be digested, the food began to rot. The fish died as a result of its guts bursting open due to the resultant fumes. Number 8. Barbie Pagoda Fungus. This particular type of fungus is indigenous to New Caledonia. It has a multi-tiered look with lovely soft pink and blue tones. Barbie is associated with the neon candy pink color. She currently faces competition from the New Caledonian fungus Podocerpula miranda, which was founded in 2013. The Barbie Pagoda fungus moniker was given to it because of its odd, multi-tiered design and pastel pink tint. The oddly formed fungi can produce up to 6 caps on a single stem, each getting smaller from bottom to top center. Scientists have cautioned against falling for its allure. The fungi are thought to be poisonous in nature and have a radish-like scent. Number 7. A lake above the ocean. The largest lake in the Faroe Islands, Lake Sarvsvat, is perched above the North Atlantic Ocean and cascades into the water. On the island of Vigar, which lies between Iceland and Norway, sits the 6-kilometer-long scenic lake. Atop a cliff, the lake is perched comfortably approximately 40 meters above sea level. A taller cliff surrounds the waterfall, preventing the waters overflowing into the ocean. The waterfall known as Bistalafossur is created by the lake's exit, which pours into the sea. From some perspectives, the cliffs on either side of the lake produce an optical illusion. The lake appears to be considerably higher above sea level than it actually is due to the illusion. Number 6. Four-horned Jacob sheep. This sheep has several horns. The Jacob's 4 horns, while they can have 2 or 6, are what set them apart from other species. The Old Testament Bible's book of Genesis makes reference to the Jacob sheep. The sheep was found in the 17th century, although it is still unknown where it came from. The sheep are dark-colored with white wool and are a native breed of Britain. The sheep's horns, which can have 2 to 6 horns, are its most distinctive feature. This distinctive trait is shared by the male, ram, and female, ewe. The rostral and caudal sets of horns make up this structure. Rich landowners first reared the sheep as park sheep for decorative purposes. Number 5. Fukang Meteorite. In 2000, a meteorite estimated to be 4.5 billion years old was discovered in the mountains close to Fukang, China. With olivine crystals, it is a palisite, a kind of stony iron meteorite. The Fukang meteorite was found in the mountains close to Fukang, China, in the year 2000. The meteorite weighs roughly 20 kilograms and is thought to be 4.5 billion years old. The meteorite is a palisite, which contains gem-quality olivine in a matrix of nickel and iron. The meteor is thought to have originated during the solar system's formation. The olivine and metal may have fused together at high temperatures to form a matrix. Less than 1% of all meteorites are thought to be palisites, according to estimates. This makes it one of the most significant meteorites found in the 21st century. The meteorite has been broken up into several pieces and sold at auction. Number 4. Catatumbo lightning. This Venezuelan atmospheric phenomenon exclusively takes place over the Catatumbo River mouth. The duration of these prolonged lightning strikes might reach 10 hours. The adage, "lightning never strikes the same place twice," is one that we frequently hear, but an extraordinary phenomenon seen in a lake in Venezuela has disproved it. Over the Catatumbo River's mouth, where it enters Lake Maracaibo, is where the phenomenon known as Catatumbo lightning usually takes place. Lake Maracaibo, which records an astounding 250 lightning flashes per square kilometer annually, was given a spot in the Guinness Book of World Records for having the largest concentration of lightning. Number 3. Liziba Station. In Chongqing, China, a fully operational railroad track with a station passes through an occupied 19-story apartment complex. Have you ever seen a train go through a 19-story apartment complex? If the response is no, you can travel to Chongqing in southeast China to see it for yourself. A residential structure is immediately traversed by an unusual train track. The station's installed noise reduction technology makes sounds comparable to a dishwasher. The residential building and the Chongqing Rail Transit No. 2 have been constructed on top of one another. This demonstrates the innovative response to the constrained space in a city with 49 million inhabitants. Residents can also easily board the train at Liziba Station, which is situated on the 6th to the 8th floors of the structure. Number 2. Blue lingcod. This fish has blue meat that appears to have been marinated in blue food coloring. Bile pigment is what gives the color blue. From Baja California to the Gulf of Alaska, a fish with blue meat known as blue lingcod lives in the rocky reefs. The bile pigment biliverdin gives the fish its distinctive color and makes it a very dreadful predator. The fish turn blue because the biliverdin permeates into their meat. When lingcod meat is raw, it has a bluish or greenish hue. When the fish is cooked, the blue tint miraculously fades and turns to white. Number 1. Blue whale skull. The 126-year-old skull of the biggest animal to have ever lived on Earth is kept in the Natural History Museum in the United Kingdom. In its off-site storehouse, the museum keeps a 25-meter-long blue whale skeleton that is iconic. The skeleton was unveiled for exhibit in the Mammals Gallery in 1938 and is thought to be 126 years old. Before transferring the specimen to the Hints Hall, the engineers working on it painstakingly put the skeleton on a metal head. The whale specimen has been given the moniker Hope, which stands for the idea that humanity has the ability to sculpt a sustainable future. Up until a prohibition was put in place, overfishing had put the blue whale in danger of going extinct. Which one did you find to be most fascinating? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.